The morning air feels perfect. Let's load the baskets carefully. Watch the little ones, they're eager. Don't worry, they'll be safe. The sunrise is beautiful this morning. Yes, it feels so peaceful to finally be at sea. I hope we see whales. It smells so good in here. This jam is delicious. Grab a peach before they're gone. I think these herbs are ready. Perfect, just in time. This is a perfect morning. Indeed, this tea is just right. Oh, and look at the cat with its fish. I think this pot is finally clean. Look at all these bubbles. Let's get these dried before the wind takes them all.
Smells so good. Perfect. Ready to eat?
The salmon is delicious, Character B.
Thank you.
Character C, tell us about your trip. It was amazing. I saw so many beautiful things.
I think this needs just a bit more sparkle.
Meow.
This tea is delightful. It's from a secret blend. I think the cats approve too. Look at the stones. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. The water is so clear. Let's dock over there. Look at all this thyme.
Wow, these seashells are beautiful.
Check out this one.
Look at this incredible piece of driftwood. It's so weathered.
Oh, it's beautiful. And look at these smooth seashells I found.
I can't believe how many treasures we found.
This wild thyme smells amazing.
Let's arrange them all here.
Look at this driftwood. They look like a little island. Smells good. It's almost ready. I think we have enough now. Looks perfect. Just need a little more cheese. Smells amazing. The bread is ready.
Try some of the grilled vegetables. They're delicious.
Oh, I will. This pasta is wonderful. Thank you.
And for you, little one.
Look at him. He's so patient. Remember that time we built the fort? Oh, the one that collapsed on us? We were so muddy afterwards. Good times.
I could really use a cup of this right now.
It's perfect. The ginger is wonderful. Cheers to a cozy evening. Look! Oh! Wow! Good night. Sleep well. A beautiful morning.
Indeed. Look at the sunrise.
I wouldn't trade this for anything.